Hello, today I will talk about prevent heartburn with baking soda. 8. Alleviates mouth ulcers. Rinsing with baking soda solution can reduce pain and inflammation from mouth ulcers. It helps neutralize acidity, promotes healing, and prevents bacterial growth in the affected area. 7. Whitens teeth. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive that removes surface stains from teeth. It also neutralizes acids in the mouth, reducing plaque formation and promoting overall dental health. 6. Relieves muscle pain. Baking soda can help reduce muscle soreness after intense exercise by neutralizing lactic acid buildup. It helps balance pH levels in the body, promoting quicker muscle recovery. 5. Soothes itchy skin. Baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe itchy skin conditions like eczema, rashes, or insect bites. It reduces redness, irritation, and discomfort when applied as a paste or in a bath. 4. Treats fungal infections. Baking soda's antifungal properties make it effective against fungal infections like athlete's foot. It helps reduce itching, irritation, and infection spread when applied to affected areas. 3. Supports oral health. Using baking soda as a mouth rinse or toothpaste can reduce plaque buildup, prevent cavities, and maintain healthy gums. Its alkalinity helps keep the mouth's environment healthy. 2. Improves kidney function. Baking soda can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid levels in the blood. It supports better kidney function and overall metabolic health. 1. Relieves heartburn. Baking soda neutralizes stomach acid, providing quick relief from heartburn and acid reflux. It restores pH balance in the digestive tract, reducing discomfort and preventing further irritation. Thanks for watching. Dietitian and naturopath Neetu.